Imagine if your toys could learn to play games all by themselves, or if your fridge knew exactly what groceries you need without you telling it. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's the world of AI. Hi everyone, from kids to grandparents. I'm here to explain what AI really is in super simple terms. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like giving computers a brain so they can think, learn, and make decisions, just like we do, but way faster and without getting tired. Think about your phone's voice assistant, like Siri or Alexa. You ask, "What's the weather today?" and it tells you right away. That's AI listening, understanding, and replying, learning from millions of questions to get smarter each time. AI is everywhere, helping doctors, driving cars, and even creating art. But this is just the beginning. Want to dive deeper into how AI is changing our world? Stick around for more. The future is exciting.